when you have no power. Girls power. Girl power.
The bridge is broken. That's what we're walking here. Our car, we cannot go. Our area.
You're like donkeys.
So I bring the solar.
Yeah. Very good. Oh, shit.
Oh, good morning, guys. Oops. It's nearly finished. It's already done the roof. The river. I can see the river now. They already harvest the corn. It's very clear water. There's somebody swimming and they're washing the. Ay, hello kay. It's a beautiful weather today. I'm happy I can see the river. It's still a lot of corn over there.